Hello and welcome to Solidworks 2019 training. I'm your host, Trevor Smale. Let's get started with our very first quick drawing. I'm going to open Solidworks, and today our image is from Orwell Offshore, and this seems to be some sort of offshore scientific equipment or drilling rig. Looks quite cool. Very complicated assembly with lots of repeated parts. See these pads running around the outer edges. Okay. So now we're in our start menu, and what we want to do is start a new drawing. Okay, and this just gives us a standard sheet template. Now it appears in the bottom right corner that we are set to imperial units, so we want to switch that to millimeter grams second before getting started. You can always change that during, but it's better to just do it right away. Okay. So we want to load in our first part. So let's go up to View Layout, Standard 3 View. And now we need to browse for our part, which would be our very first part we created. Boom. Now we've laid that out into our drawing. Very good. And we can click these dotted lines around the object to move them around. And they're all interconnected because they're projections of each other. Now we want to get rid of these blue origin points. So we go up to Hide and Show Items, and there's View Origins. We want to turn that off, and boom, we're good. So no drawing is complete or even started without annotated dimensions. So let's go up to our Annotation tab on the horizontal ribbon menu and choose Smart Dimension. Now what we want to do is just get linear dimensions, so let's click on the vertical lines that are parallel to each other and create our first dimension, which is 150 millimeters, the length of the part. Now we are going to dimension the width of our part, the height of the notch, and the overall height of our part. I just hit Escape to exit out of that tool, and we've got our first dimension. So you can go crazy and add more dimensions if you'd like, but this is enough to summarize the very basics of creating a drawing, and I hope you liked it. So if you did, click like or subscribe for more, and if you want to follow this series, just look at the links below, and that will bring you to my Google Docs course syllabus, as well as links to other videos in this series.